Hi Bianca, how you doing today?
Hi, Lily. I'm doing well, thanks. How are you?
Good. So I'm just going to ask you a couple questions about P1. So
Okay.
can you tell us a little bit about what you do at P1?
Sure. I do a little bit of everything HR at P1. So I do everything with our existing employees that they're dealing with benefits, payroll, any other type of question that comes up. And then for incoming candidates, I'm the one doing the recruiting process. So going through posting the job, screening, talking to the candidates, making that initial connection with the production team, which is great because I get to know all of our employees and know who's on the floor, and then also get to know who we think we should bring into the shop floor, which is great.
Perfect. So when you're looking at candidates, what types of people do you look for? What are some key attributes?
Yeah, so obviously the roles are different, and so there are specific skills that are different for each role. But as far as the person, the attributes that we're looking for, I would say obviously being able to work in an environment that is pretty dynamic, that can shift and change is important as business needs change, or as customer needs change, being able to accommodate those and being willing to go with the flow with that. Someone who's really ready and willing to be hands-on in the mix, whether you are running the CNC mill or you're an engineer doing the drawings or in quality, someone who is willing to literally be hands-on doing that work along with the rest of the team. And then something that we focus, one of our values is continued education, continual learning. So someone who is interested in continuing to grow and expand, and that doesn't necessarily mean they want to be a manager or be something like that, but they want to know more or do something in a different way or approach something in a different way. So we call that kind of an entrepreneurial spirit or continued learning. Someone who has that desire to be better and continually get better, find ways to do things better is something that's important to us.
Yeah, continued learning is huge. So what are some jobs available at P1?
We have a bunch of jobs that we'll be looking at going into 2024. So definitely always looking to add to our machinist roster, specifically on second shift. So we have some CNC mills on second shift that we're trying to fill, as well as really building out our supply chain and our quality departments. So in quality, we'll for sure be bringing on a quality inspector in the beginning of 2024, as well as in supply chain, adding in a buyer or two, adding in some more quality function within the supply chain area. So that's what our focus is starting next year.
Well, Bianca, thank you so much for all this information. It was great meeting with you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Lily.